All right, so here we're gonna see a breakdown of the box and everything inside. It comes in the waterproof case, so it's very airtight, so it takes a bit of power to open it. Once you do, you can get the camera out, but again, this allows you to go deeper in the water. The camera is waterproof. You can open it on the side there, and there on the little side is where you would put your SD card that you need for your camera to take pictures. Any pictures require that card, and that's also the battery compartment. Now let's go ahead and look at the accessories that come in the box. You get quite a few accessories here that, they just come included in the box. Here you have some accessories like for bicycle attachments, zip ties, helmet attachment. That's to take pictures remotely with a wristband. Just a lot of similar attachments that you can put together in order to use this camera a little bit easier. Just going through all the attachments there, and you can use them alone or you could use them together in order to get better pictures or make it a little bit easier for you to take pictures. And here you have the case that you can use. This is not really a protective case, but it allows you to put attachments on the actual camera itself. And that's the last attachment that we have in the box. Now we're going to go ahead and get the battery pack that comes included. There's 2 battery packs and a charging case. So these batteries can last up to around 5 hours. We're going to open the compartment right now to put the battery in here and just go ahead and show you how the camera functions. The battery can only go in one way, and we're going to go ahead and turn the camera on. Once the camera's on, I do want to show you some of the features that are available to the camera. There's 2 main buttons. One is the power button, the other one's the button to take pictures. So here you see me going through the different settings. You can go up or down depending on what you need, and you can also select the functions here. We have the video function showing. We're just going through some of the settings here. For example, you can turn on that stabilization, which is the EIS, but the camera already has a gyroscope. So it's very, very helpful, and you'll be able to see when we start taking some video, so you can see that there's a lot of good control there. Some additional settings, you can take video, pictures, photos, things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and show that you can take some photos, just regular photos. I have the quality set at 1080. You can also take them vertical, and all of that gets saved to the card. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the video section, and I want to show you how the video works. So if you notice the image there, it is not moving. It only moves when I do huge movement. So it's super awesome. The stabilization on this works. I've used it running, and it's absolutely amazing. Now let's go ahead and put it in this case. This is a case that you can attach to your helmet, so it's really, really helpful for that. But if you notice, it's not protective. It only covers the sides, top and bottom, left and right. It doesn't cover the front and back so much. We're going to just go ahead and remove the attachment to make it a little bit easier to insert the camera into the case. Okay, now that we have the camera here, we can go ahead and put the cover from the back so it doesn't fall out from this case. And there you go, there you have it. So now the other function is that if you click the take picture button and hold it, it will actually switch to the front camera. So you can take selfies with this also. Super, super awesome feature. And if you hold it again, it will take it to the back, and you're able to have the camera as normal.